ठीक है. So hi Arohi, I'm Ayush and I'm working around a research assignment in the domain of real estate, and the topic is the property listing apps and the brokers that we have around in the market. So could you just give me a brief about
Okay.
yourself? Yeah.
Hi, my name is Avi. I have completed Analytics Limited as a UX.
हॅलो.
हा.
अरे थांब, तुझा आवाज कटत आहे. मी बाहेर चाललो क्लासच्या.
हो, तू तिथं नाहीये वाटतं नेटवर्क बिलकुल.
हो. थांबून जा एक मिनिट.
हो.
आता येत आवाज बरोबर? हॅलो.
हॅलो.
हॅलो, आता येत आवाज बरोबर तुला? हॅलो.
हॅलो.
हॅलो, आवाज आता येतं बरोबर? हॅलो. 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 हॅलो आरोही.
हॅलो.
हॅलो, आता येतं आवाज बरोबर?
हो, येतोय.
अच्छा, ठीक आहे ना. तर so yeah, so could you just walk me could you just walk me through the current property, like how you just found your current rental property, like.
Okay, so right now I am living near college, the
Okay.
earlier college, because of my brother. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so now basically what I did was I tried to, I tried to get to know the brokers around this area. So that was one of the option, and also I went through all those property listing websites on online, which is
Uh-huh.
No Broker and housing.com and all that.
Hmm.
Um, so I went through those places. I went through those websites and saw the pictures of property and all those stuff.
Uh-huh.
And I tried to contact with the other brokers around this area as well.
Okay.
So according to me, according to me, first thought was, now that we have No Broker, right? So
Right,
there
right.
I'm going through one particular house, and I am texting the owner saying ki I want more picture of yours, more
Okay.
picture of your property,
Okay.
detailed one. So
Right, right.
so basically that was the first thing. Other thing was I had to call them and ask them regarding the property, the area and stuff.
Okay.
Okay, and what else could be there? And also the pictures are different from what the actual places.
Right,
Okay,
right, right.
there is huge difference between that. So
Okay.
when you check a particular property on that particular website, and then when you
Uh-huh.
call the owner and ask him for picture again, so there
Right.
is huge difference between that as well. Okay.
Right.
Okay, and what else? Okay, and other thing was, there is this problem where they are not, they are looking for bachelors, they are looking for family,
Right,
and
right.
stuff like that. Okay, but the problem is they are involving bachelors. Like if in their description, there
Right.
are bachelor selected. But when you call and talk to them, so they are like, we don't give it to bachelors, and which is very bad. Like if I am okay, even if you don't give it to bachelor, I'm
Uh,
saying I am living with my brother, so it is okay. Like we are family, right?
right,
My
right.
real brother and me would be definitely a family. Still
Right.
they are not giving that, means ki this particular term doesn't won't be applicable for term that we are selecting while filtering out the family branch.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. So, as you just told me, you have also gone through the listing apps as well.
Hmm.
So, which were those apps, if you may know?
No Broker, housing.com,
Okay.
and wait, No Broker, housing.com, and right now I am also working on such project.
Okay.
Okay. So I mean my content is a bit different from what you're working on.
Okay. Okay.
But yeah, I went through No Broker, housebookings.com as well,
Okay. How's
because
okay?
the motto is different, but they are kind of showing the property only, right?
Right. Right.
Whether
Right.
it is hotel or stuff like that.
Right. Right.
Okay, so yeah, No Broker, that's it.
Okay. And how long did you take to find the current property that you are living in? कितना दिन लगा था पूरे प्रोसीजर को लेने में?
हाँ, तो उसको बहुत टाइम लगता है। आई गेस दिस आई मीन मोस्टली तो मैंने ब्रोकर से ही ढूंढा था, क्योंकि ना मुझे एक रत्ती भर का भी विश्वास नहीं है वो नो ब्रोकर पे, क्योंकि
Okay.
फोटोज कुछ दिखाया था और प्रॉपर्टीज वेर वेरी बैड, मतलब बहुत
Okay.
बुरी कंडीशन थी।
Hmm.
व्हेन इट कम्स टू एरिया वाइज भी ऐसा होता है। नाउ if you are searching for a place in Baner, and if
हाँ.
you look for no broker, like if you take help of no broker, मतलब चीजें भी अलग हो जाती है ना। Now this is Rawet, the area is not that good, so you won't get good properties here, right?
Right. Right. Right.
हाँ, तो जैसे ही एरिया इम्प्रूव हो जाता है तो मे बी प्रॉपर्टीज वुड ऑल्सो चेंज, मे बी द कंडीशन, मे बी द फंक्शनैलिटी ऑफ ऐप वुड ऑल्सो चेंज। ओके,
Okay.
मतलब कैसा है कि अब रावेत है तो रावेत में आई वांट अ लग्जूरियस फॉर वेल फर्निश्ड फ्लैट,
Hmm.
बट ये ऐसे बहुत रेयर केसेस है ना, बहुत
Right.
कम फ्लैट है यहाँ पे जो कि वेल फर्निश्ड है।
Right.
बट व्हेन
Right.
इट कम्स टू बानेर विल सी लॉट ऑफ फ्लैट्स, तो वैसे ऐप की एफिशिएंसी भी बढ़ती है ना कि
Right. Right. Right.
हाँ, तो मतलब द यूजर्स दैट आर फ्रॉम बानेर एंड द यूजर दैट इज सर्चिंग प्रॉपर्टी फॉर बानेर एरिया एंड दैट आर सर्चिंग प्रॉपर्टी फॉर रावेत एरिया वुड फेस डिफरेंट इश्यूज।
Right. 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 Right.
ओके, क्योंकि फिल्टर आउट वहां पे ज्यादा कर सकते हो, फिल्टर आउट कि मुझे सोसाइटी में स्विमिंग पूल चाहिए, ये चाहिए, वो चाहिए। यहाँ पे नहीं कर सकते ना आप फिल्टर आउट, क्योंकि आपको
Right.
पता
Right.
है यहाँ पे सोसाइटी में स्विमिंग पूल ही नहीं मिलेगा।
Yeah, completely makes sense to me. Yeah, yeah. So as you just told me that you are I think so you are very prone with how the websites are. So could you just
राइट,
let me know कि कैसे इनके इंटरफेस है? How was your user experience around it?
ओके, द नो ब्रोकर,
Yeah, any apps that you just went through.
गिव मी अ मिनट। ओके, सो बेसिकली कौन सी भी वेबसाइट कहाँ पे भी जाओ, you'll come across this page where आपको एरिया सर्च करना है। ओके,
Yeah, yeah.
थोड़ी चीजें फिल्टर करोगे और फिर मिल जाएगी प्रॉपर्टी।
Right, right,
ओके,
right.
दैट इज द ड्रिल फॉर ऑल द हाउसिंग वेबसाइट्स और even traveling websites, everything. Okay,
Right.
and other than that, what I mean, आपको क्या नए फीचर्स कुछ ऐड करे, ऐसे कुछ चाहिए क्या? कैसे फीडबैक्स चाहिए?
नहीं, I was not asking for the feedback कि how is the user interface?
Okay,
उनका
user interface. Okay, I'll tell you one thing, there are a lot of things going on a particular screen,
Right.
ऐड भी चल रहा है। ओके,
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
तो मतलब ना अभी रिसेंटली आई वाज यूजिंग नो ब्रोकर, तो उसमें ना फिल्टर आउट करते टाइम, सॉरी, housing.com, उसमें फिल्टर आउट करते टाइम they have ads and they have lot of things on home page. But
Right, right.
according to me, home page should be very simple.
Right,
सर्च,
right.
एक सर्च बार दे दो और ना प्रॉपर्टीज दे दो जो कि विच आर लैविश एंड ये सब दे दो स्टार्टिंग में, एंड
Right.
कॉन्टैक्ट इन्फो वो सब दे दो। दैट शुड बी अ होम पेज। बट
Right, right.
now आप देखिए ना, इवन इफ यू गो ऑन हाउसिंग वेबसाइट या housing.com या नो ब्रोकर में बहुत कुछ चल रहा है, बहुत कुछ चीजें हैं जो कि चल रही है
Right, right.
मतलब होम पेज पे ही। ओके,
Right, right. Okay. So you think so the app should be more minimalistic and simplistic, right?
या मोर मिनिमलिस्टिक। प्लस प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रहा है कि यू आर सेइंग कि इट इज नो ब्रोकर, और फिर आपके पास प्लान्स भी है, मतलब उसमें प्लान्स है ना नो ब्रोकर में,
Right, right.
3। तो फिर आप नाम बदलिए, नहीं तो मोटो बदलिए, आपका कुछ तो भी कीजिए.
right.
But at the end obviously they have to sell ना. कुछ बेच रहे हो, कुछ कमाना तो पड़ेगा ही ना उनको भी.
Yeah, completely makes
चैरिटी,
sense to me.
हाँ चैरिटी तो नहीं कर रहे हैं ना, तो ऑब्वियसली ये दो तीन चीजें ठीक है, बट या.
Okay. So we will just move on to the next question. So anything frustrating during this entire procedure of property finding, जो बहुत frustrating या फिर challenging था तुम्हारे लिए? Hello, hello, hello. So yeah. So anything frustrating that you find in the entire procedure?
Frustrating, no, but I would like to add one point कि म्हणजे ना you can do this as well कि if you are looking for a property and stuff, now a lot of no broker has it as well. I like this fact कि ना तुम्ही if you are renting a property, they'll help you in like movers and travelers ना.
Right.
Movers and packers क्या कुछ तो भी
हाँ,
था.
movers and packers, right.
हाँ, तो they'll come, they'll help you in shifting and stuff. That is also a good thing. Okay. और
Right,
फिर
right.
ना I mean, according to me, we should have authentication of properties,
Right.
मतलब ना ये property है भी क्या नहीं, ये owner trustworthy है भी क्या नहीं,
Right.
stuff like that. कुछ भी हो सकता है ना. If you I mean, in no broker we have free listing, right? We can list out our properties. Okay.
Yeah.
So maybe I came across one property which is beautiful and I went there, मतलब check वेक कर लिया, deposit भर दिया. For example,
Right.
I am in Parvani and
हाँ.
मुझे मेरी ना ऑफिस है, मतलब ऑफिस है मेरा 6 तारीख से और मेरे को 5 तक जाना है वहां पे. तो मैं क्या कर दूंगी, प्रॉपर्टी पहले से ही बुक कर दूंगी, जो भी थोड़ा डिपॉजिट है वो दे दूंगी ऑनलाइन, उनको बोल दूंगी कि साफ वाफ करके रखो वो घर जो भी.
Right.
And what if I go there and I get to know कि ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं.
Right. Makes sense. Yes.
हाँ.
Yeah, it's actually a good point, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I will just move on to the last question. Ki any feature that you want to see in the app, just say it will just make the app more efficient or in any way. Any features or anything?
Features, I won't say features, but at start keep it minimalistic. ज्यादा चीजें मत रखिए. ओके. मतलब फिल्टर और ये जो स्टफ है ना, ये भी मिनिमल रखिए, मतलब थोड़ा कम ही रखिए. And then once the app or something is out, you can keep adding stuff according to user feedbacks and all.
Okay. Yeah. So yeah, thank you, Arohi. It was actually a very long and very insightful interview, I must say.
Thank you.